Hello friends, my name is Mohan Digay. Today date is 30 August. Today video topic is Java keywords. In total 52 Java keywords in Java. Java keywords also known as reverse words. Uh, Keywords are particular words that takes key to code. There are very defined word by Java, so they cannot be used as a variable or object name or class name. It is first one is explain first Java keyword is abstract. Java abstract keyword is used to declare an abstract class. An abstract class can provide the implementation of the interface. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. The second is boolean. Java keyword boolean is used to declare a variable as a boolean type. It can hold true or false. Third one is explained in break. Java break keyword is used to break the loop or switch statement. It breaks the correct flow of the program as specified condition. For one, the explaining is byte. Uh, Java byte keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 8 bytes data in values. Fifth one is cases. Java case keyword is used with the switch statement to mark blocks to text. Sixth one is catch. Java catch keyword is used to catch the expression generated by try statement. It must be used after the try block only. Seven one is characteristic. Java characteristic keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold unsigned 16 byte Unicode characteristic. And eight one is a class. Java class keyword is used to declare a class. Next one is continue. Java continue keyword is used to continue the loop. The continues the current flow of the program and skip the remaining code at the specified condition. And next one is default. Java default keyword is used to specify the default block of the code in switch statement. Next one is do. Uh, Java do keyword is used the control statement to declare a loop. It can iterate a part of the program several times. Next one is double. Java double keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold 16 byte floating point number. Next one is else. Java else keyword is used to indicate the alternative branches in statement, and it is all about in Java keywords. Okay, thank you.